Hi guys, welcome to the Sonic Oasis. My name is Mfundo, and today I'll be taking a look at a plugin made by Acustica Audio. So Acustica Audio is an Italian company that has been around now for a while, and they've been making mixing plugins. And they've recently started making synthesizer plugins as well. Their debut synthesizer was a plugin called Thing, which is a Roland Jupiter 8 emulation. They also had their own take of the Prophet 5, which they called the Expanse 5. And now we're here today, and they have made a recreation of the Moog Subsequent 37, which is a cult classic analog synth. So they call it Squid 3, and it being a software, it does have some advantages over the hardware. And of course, hardware analog will always sound better, but software does have its advantages as well. And in this instance, there are certain advantages over the hardware. The first one being it has super stereo, which introduces stereo depth into the sound. It also is polyphonic, unlike the original hardware, which is monophonic and duo paraphonic as well. It also has built-in sound effects, and it has the advantage of running multiple instances as much as your computer can handle. Plugin is being sold for 199 euros. At the time of recording this video, it's on special discounts for 139 euros. Now, I do not have a license for this plugin. I am currently using a 30-day free trial, and this free trial period gives you full access to a fully functional software. So there's no limitations on time, there's no white noise introduced. You use it as if you have bought and paid for it for 30 days, which is something I've come to appreciate about this company. With that being said, I am not being sponsored by Acustica Audio, and they do not even know about my existence. The whole point of this video is to give you a demo with sound examples and hopefully capture the character and the capabilities of the synthesizer by demoing the presets that it comes with. So without further ado, let's listen to the sounds. So that was Squid 3 by Acustica Audio. If you've made it this far in the video and you enjoy content like this, please make sure to support us by subscribing and leaving a like on the video. I'd like to give a huge shout out and an appreciation to my Patreon subscribers. Thank you for your continued support. It is really appreciated. Until the next one, I will see you later.